this is my studio space. I have a small house, and so I have a small little studio, but it's much nicer than the kitchen table, I have to say. I just love to make things. I don't work in just one thing in particular. I like working in textiles, but I also like ceramics. I like sculpture. I went into bookbinding because I had too much leather and I didn't know what to do with it. So then I ended up doing books. And from there just went into other things, wallets, purses, bags. These little books here, I had my square template and I just went along with a ruler and an X-Acto knife. I got a comfortable amount of sketchbook type paper and loose leaf, and then I folded them, and I folded them with the back of a spoon. I don't have very sophisticated tools. I generally might use an awl, or I may use my leather thimble that I made and a sharp needle like that to make the holes. The only thing I've really splurged on is the linen thread and a very straight ruler that I only use for bookbinding. Everything else, I'm so happy to just DIY and use what's at hand. I really like something small that is less precious. I don't fear the first page in a small book. I'm able to put whatever I need into it, whether it's a grocery list or a quick sketch. Bookmaking becomes a meditation for me. I have a big mat that I put out and I cut my paper on a roll, so it ends up being quite a process of cutting it down. So this ends up being cleared off and the paper extends out past the window, and I gradually cut it down to size. As you get into it, as the hours pass, as your body is making the same motions over and over again, your mind is able to go other places. And it's really nice to have a quiet moment in a loud house.